At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we specialize in resolving water heater failure in Los Gatos, California 95032. If your water heater is experiencing issues such as insufficient hot water, strange noises, or leaks, our expert technicians can provide fast and effective solutions. We handle repairs, maintenance, and replacements for all types of water heaters to ensure your home's hot water supply is restored quickly. Serving the Los Gatos community, we prioritize quality service and customer satisfaction. Contact us today for dependable water heater repair services in Los Gatos, California 95032, and enjoy consistent hot water again. Contact us today, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a water heater failure near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What are the common causes of water heater failure in Los Gatos, California 95032? Common causes of water heater failure include sediment buildup, rust and corrosion, faulty heating elements, and thermostat issues. Regular maintenance by Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment can help prevent these problems. How can I tell if my water heater is failing in Los Gatos, California 95032? Signs of water heater failure include inconsistent water temperatures, no hot water, leaks around the tank, discolored water, and unusual noises. If you notice any of these issues, contact Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment for an inspection. What is your water heater failure service office for Los Gatos, California? Our local water heater failure service office have served the areas of Los Gatos, Capitola, Los Angeles, Rubidoux, Terrace, Pedley, Bloomington, Glen, Avon, Colton, Mira, Loma Linda, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue, Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Capitola Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/